Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem of VRChat crashing on PC step-by-step guide. And before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So let's get started. If VRChat keeps crashing on your PC, so here's a quick step-by-step guide that might help you. First of all, you have to launch VRChat. Just launch your official VRChat site. Also you can download their app and then you have to open the menu. So let me log in now. Wait until it okay, so let's tap on to continue. Okay, let me confirm my code. Wait, and now you have to search for main menu option, which will be at the top right corner. Okay, let me sign up now. You will find the option at the top right corner and wait until it logs in. Okay, as I am unable to log in right now, I will just explain it to you. At the top right corner you will get the option, and then just scroll down and look for the debug section, and under the debug section you will be able to find the option called manage cache data, and then you have to clear content cache from it. And that's it, you have cleared the cache. Go ahead and exit VRChat. It will be easily your problem will be easily solved. Okay, and after that you can restart your Steam and launch VRChat again to check if the issue is resolved. This method helps if the crashes are due to corrupted or overloaded cached file. So that was it, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.